Eight chapter unit poimo mama here medieval society dekina medieval India yon falls in kate le khasiam hina historian hina I dekin European countries se kele Central Asia kipan travelers ya kipan ama anu udan India society hi ya I gisin sang na kipyak som hi manina I ban bana yan suk le che hi through the eyes of travelers se kichia hi 10th century to Akipan 7th century kala Indian society, medieval society, anun zia kele ya divai pok dia ai kele na paidan tang fite ya kwaljen mi poimo ma ni Frankfurt Bernier kele ibin baduta ai kele alberuni tia pani khatkit kata yang sudini hi through the eyes of travelers perception of society from 10th to 17th century ya ama sepenina alberuni panjin ai kele aman I mongjitin muna India te jakina medieval society I ana oma chi ai kele mongjan ke bai po kwa ai kele ana ko sawa chi ma ki panin din wai I thei na ding na ama tan chin poi mo ai jakina ma kwa hiam bang hiam chi poi mo ma sa jakina ma tan chin life sketch ne patien ma sa ding alberni astronomer ya historian le ya botanist le ya pharmacologist le ya geologist le ya poet le ya philosopher le ya mathematician le ya geographer le ya humanist le ya alberni muslim islam sa pa jo hi mane siam nya ai ke le pil na siam na hi zatak tupi tak nei manena ama ki pan india on jin khaklaya india am udhan te ida ending alberni and kitab ulin adicha ai hi le alberni na india India unsik laya ichidia India onjin khak laya aman record bukan akip kitab ulhin akicha wai document wa kipan I ama budan anigat na wai te I na ending tuna I alberni ko yakip on kipan yam chi puimo masai jagi na igen ma abangina wai te ina ending from Khwarezm to Punjab icha Khwarezm chi jangina Central Asia Uzbekistan omaya I hoya kipan bangsidana India Punjab on muthayam chi na somi Alberni born in 973 in Khwarezm Uzbekistan kichaya Alberni ile igen ma abangina zakwa som sa gele thum ina Khwarezm Uzbekistan Central Asia na pyanga ama I ahin kwa ai kele I bangchida na experience the na bangchida na ha yam chi na tam in en mat non ning he was a landman and well versed in several languages Syriac Arabic Persian Hebrew and Sanskrit kicha ama hi denai igen ma bang na the na zatak nei to kya hello na lai lam ai kele paule ham ko I the na lian tak nei hi ada kena I Central Asia ang kamum te Syriac pau da tia Syria tia pau ya Arabia tia pau Arabic da tia Persia tia pau Persia le tia chuma Hebrew Sanskrit le tia hi ma pang na I pau le ham to ithale le kha hi zataka ki na ne hi chi na I mu the ya hi amma nei pai su non jang alle kha thei ai ke le pau le ham tam pia thi ke lo na are khyang na lam ai ke translation la mane ama hi Mikiba mai chihe monona mangchiham chile. He has learned the Arabic translation of Greek philosopher like Plato Jamahi Hoi Hulayana min thangma Greek philosopher Plato to hi ama adin mun chimeni hi aman til Arabic pawbang Greek akipan and translation by isakina mai min thangma mai chihe mutheya abana bangchidana Punjab aikel Indian hayam chi kaya in ancient tading Muhammad Ghazni invaded Khwarezm in 1017 and brought Alberni with him to Ghazni Muhammad Ghaznavid kumpi kata hiya Muhammad Ghazni amahi galhat let me hang sanaya amahi na atian now chimeni dena Alberni te apian na tian na ko Uzbekistan tourism hi yai galhaten anya kena Mohammed Gazima kainai na avasim wa paya ma hi galmatin amanwa ima le athat ke ya wadena kon gen hat ke dar kon gen ama asyam na atul na te je kena hena kumpi pan ama na sem gen ade ya ochina ama atun pi ta hi ya capital gas na bi te capital gas ni atun pi hi to ama bangin Mohammed gas ni na ma bangina central Asia kya gasim no na India lam pangale on lu chubin si ijdan na on lu ta ding hi ama pe Mohammed gas ni adia albertu pe hi anai jal tu ai kele ko historian on so kai man na akwal jin ai kel om namun munam apinan ko mo gi ni ne ai na to abangina Mohammed gas ni na India Punjab on sima ki panaman ha India te paida na kele a society medieval society te om ya ki pok ja te ki pan the na ni inga hi chi na ya bu the hi when Punjab became a part of Ghaznavid Empire Alberni followed Ghazni and settled there where he got a chance to learn texts on Indian religion and philosophy. Mua Ghaznavid tian akumpiu aikele agamu akiek nawi India on so atak manina waya hi Alberni le kumpipan aton pia waya Punjab na amawak te aki station na huwai tungtuan na aman i India te thế nào chỉ mấy ni xã hội thì lấy pil na xem na để tâm pia thế nào biết là pina chỉ là ban ban này số con gì he came into contact with local Sanskrit scholars mama bagi na ya India sung na atol song mi scholars itu sil lai Sanskrit sil lai te tâm pia dan gitu ay naman thế nào tâm pia này biết nó này tu na ya aman ana le ka bu bol chi di ya Indian society, medieval society, ina thik na tung to na hai kita poten na bol pe ni I bang chi bang yam chi Alberini gel pen na en non ni the accounts of Alberini came to be called kita poten or takit I na kicha dena igen ma puna Alberini ina a document ai kele lekha bu ana gel pen ni kita poten kicha ni kain bang bang ko ka syam bang bang atup lengim banga waya the Kitabul was written in Arabic language and was divided into 80 chapters. The Kitabul Arabic power Yelahia Asungani Bung Somgyat chapter Somgyatahi Adandana Omahi Haina society Akele political Akele Why home Dante Tampi Tuang Tuna it deal with subjects such as religion and philosophy again sa poi kai la siam na pin na te again ma ban kita pol na atun ko ma ya ano bol na festival te na astronomy na bu khwa thil te na alchemy ka le thil lam dang chip te ma te ke omjan dun ja na tondan custom te manners te na social life ko tang hin dan te koi mo na koi mo ma I thil kile ke zo weights and measures what they apply nan tang pi de oceanography kale dana kale meteorology tom te hi I kita budin a contents to mai ni hai sunga thil atun hom te hi chi agel tu ti ma bangina Alberini hi chi ta long no ni abana I pai so dia Alberini na thil hi ma gel chang ina I ama pai nan tang pi ha ya tak lang non ding Alberini has adopted a mathematical approach, begins each chapter with a question, followed up with a description and concluded comparison of cultures. Hai apoi mo mama dena Alberini siam na jatak nei mathematician le hi ma bang aman thil record an apiak di aikal aget lu thimim kita boleh aget lu thimim question dot nine apan masa to ma bangina calculation bangjina na piak yam bangjina ye om thimo yam china aikele te kang na comparison te tak bolena ada ke Indian culture ni middle society la hi India teng nam khatya pau khatya sakwa te lo ja ken mai te chim ta kina te kang na khat comparison of culture ni tondan te ni oi te kina ya to ma poina ama jeldan tang pi mathematical approach chena amu sakuya ja kina ya scholar viewed this method is a result of his mathematical orientation to Zakina ama chep te na a record book chep te na te pen sin sak dang tian ai kele student scholars tian mathematical orientation china amin piang aleyo hi upon ayan non dia overcoming barriers to understand again cha nahi til poimo ma ya al al berani na india on jin lai chida india compete tung to na india on si khangla ya ma wa ya lekha lekha gel tu ye te sam abo na aman wa ya the siam lo ani ti akipan the siam na on ne pen mai khat khatinian su non ding adia kena the siam lo ya tang pia ne ti tung to na the siam na no ate points khaten ni yen su ding Alberini discussed several barriers that obstructed the understanding of Indian society. Yen ma boina Alberini na Indian society, medieval society, chimta ka stadia bol hangina. Ti siam lo na tang pi anana ya wai te ati siam lo na ken kan maka sakte chimene lamda na sakte ken kan yen sumbu. The first barrier was the language. Ichi ma boina paule ham. Thua hi Indian tung da ken aman hi lamdang asama ma. Ithi ma bangin India ichi multinationality nam tuam ai kele pau tuam ai kele sa ko tuam teng khom na nya to Albanian ki pat na hi le den gen ma bang Uzbekistan ai changina pau khat nam khat teng khom na Muslim nam khat teng khom na India chang multinationality cultural tom sa kho tom ne teng khom na aman pa lamdang sai na India mi bang chan ni chat teng khom the yam bang cha ko sa the yam pau tuam tung to na chi lamdang sa na hi ya kena language to kisai na atwang masahi adya ken sanskrit to kisai bang sanskrit den ai gen ma bangina aman syriac ai kele persian ai kele arabic ti chai ding dem sanskrit pen hi atuam bing na mena aman waya sanskrit atik tak den di na chim ta ngai to na pya ja ken ma din thil hak sa pya hi chi ha mu thia to him sanskrit was so different from arabic and persian and the ideas and concept could not be easily translated from one language to another. Chima boina Sanskrit pin atuam bing na Arabic version ke to atuam bing atam kyo madakin I ideas sikele concept til tun te no bai lam taka I banga translation hi bol chi lo hi chi ama udana nya wai ja kina tang pin Arabic bang aman Arabic pa bang Greek ana translate ana leta himale Sanskrit pin udana na icha bai lam taka hi le ikham thi loi dan amu kya kena lamdang sa na le I maksa na na di mahi da kena yai pau ni ham language to ji first barrier ni to na second hi le the second barrier was that Albertine identified difference in religious belief and practices then again ma ba India hi sa ko tuam gindan ai kele tondan ai kele chindan ti bang lo tam ma o teng khom na isa kena mani maksak na le lamdang sa na ki di mahi bang chi zia kya mi chile India hi Hindu ai kele Urdu ai kele Christian ai kele tuam Muslim ai kele Eastern India Northern India Rajput ai kele Southern India tuam nam tuam teng khom na isa ken pai nam tuam te amao gindan amao sa ko thil tuam ni son ai ja ken India hi I aman ada kena sa ko thil gin na ai kele tondan ai I lamdang sa nai na o mahi chi ya I mu thaya hi athumna ding ina the third barrier was that the self-observation and consequent insularity of the local population. He depended mainly on the works of Brahmanas and often quoted from the Vedas, the Puranas, the Bhagavad Gita, the works of Patanjali and the Manusmriti Ikicha. To aman athumna ithilak sapi atwa hile. Lamdang sa kahile bangya michiya hay pena hile local population adya kena bitang pi commoners de I society agam ki bai pong na ko tang ba hi amau ten thu nei lo na hi wa adya kena le kha gyal thil ahia mai ke le thil record ai ke le thil ki pya ai ke le thil tom to pai na hi I minei zo ai ke le asiam tie kya akipan thil mu so anaya wai te hi aman to collectionable record kitapul din bangle Vedas ai ke le Puranas Bhagavad Gita te akipan record alakson ni wai jaken ya aman bangchida na hai Indian ai ke medieval society a mi tang pi ami pi te ai ka ani zo no de ke i voice chi ai kan le dik nai ke le amau te i de sia na lian ta kom yam chi aman lam dang sa nai na de mani tuna i pai sum mon ja algorithm description of the caste system ke cha aman caste system i ambu udan ai ke le i Indian society caste system of paidan ambu udan hi ai yan ni Al-Biruni tried to explain the caste system by comparing it with other societies like in ancient Persia where there were four social categories as in India. Amani ama sa pen caste system pen India kya omlo isa in the Central Asia Persia le ana tondan no nya caste system chi chang ina i society a kidaidan na ke category class a ki na India hi hi ana pai gi gyo hoi lai pika tutan pha tuna i contemporary ale ina pai gyo hai jaga Indian politics pangin le hai caste system adya ken Hindu lagi aha aja ma lai na imwa hai money comparison ancient Persian a society to India caste system ya te kang na pya hi tuna detail ta kena i kim de una yan subling they describe about the four varnas such as Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras in Chadena again abona. Aka system India om dia hele four varnas anya anai Brahmana anya Kshatriya Vaishyas ya Shudras. Brahmana te iti sam abagina. Amau te isyam pute high class ahiwa ane zo ma te society sunga mau i high class pen i adya ka Hindu to ke sai bang atem abyak bo temple te ngam te ai ke le asyam puteo ichi dia hoi te ya ani na hi le te sikriya se chile gang kap te se pai te ke le kumpi te hoi ke tikriya om te hi sikriya group aniwa vai se hi le sumdong mi te merchant businessman hoi te ya sudra sai le anyam pen te le lo ko mi te ya to ke lo nai sudra laga ni outcast achiu untouchability ji bang hindu site na huang gen ma te ya ta sanga dina Shudras class untouchability de bang Brahmana te to omkom thilo amao to bang sangna Brahman siam pu khat ai ke Brahman family sum ko na khat to Shudras khat bang omkom na apona bang Shudras class pan su khale apona bang pai hemai siang lo wang ai mai cha ten takana mo hai society ni na pai pi ji ge tu ela zung lian pi kaina tu na Indian politics ale i imu thelo bile leng apai pi gi ge ha gi adya ke na Hindu la ko ma hi e the ya ni ban en su nonda but he did not accept the Brahmanical notion of pollution then akon ge na ya alberni na Indian caste system hi ingen tel da kina ana ana vele na hoi da kina ana sinin himale aman hoi la ka ade lo khat apom lo khat he on gen the bangya chule Brahmanical notion of pollution dina ka gen stai aya Brahman Brahmanas ten amawi asang pen class ai ina asyang to pen ai ina tu akipyak tum to na notion of pollution dai nam niam zo te hi amaw asyang lo angai pen na hi amana ko te hi dana kon gen ma bangina Brahman family a kipan school naw pang khat to Sudras school naw pang tu khom thei lo bang janyam cha ale khabu bang anyam niam zo pan a khot khang ale khang bu siang lo a khot ai ke atui bom bang khoi han atui siang lo a i ngai to naw men atui bua cha do ko a mau hi cha ki dei dan na Hindu side ya dian pe no ma to ke lo na ngam nyam ke na hi atem pulu abyak bu kule lu thei lo nam sam te ke na i abyak bu lu thei ya hi ki dei dan lian tak an om hi tu na ina side ni bangai dalit chia sing tang mi kichi sa na lian ma hen nam sang te na mu da nau wang ma ya ai pai gi ge ge Indian society adi wai ma lo social evils is zena ai pe ni wai pe ka 10 to 17th century akipan om ai i alberni na amu swa laka adi lo Brahmanical notion of pollution pen ya in yo khat igen sau ja ka hi tunai pai non dia he stated everything which falls into a state of impurity strives and succeed in regaining its original condition of purity. Aman ya gen tin apia til asyang lo om lo hi til asyang lo bi le ahun bi bangjala on syang jala hi aman am utan hi ama ngai ran chi ma le pom tang ma ya society chi kwam asyang lom lo ki etan kim udan ni maya to ya yente na pyang te ya yan non da yente na pyang te the sun cleanses the air and the salt in the seawater prevents the water from becoming polluted to gen ma banga yiten ni saten ni hui kwa chmai ni te hi siang na pya to ma bangina tui pia chi om ten hi tui pi pen hi asyang sak chida na yen ten atom tom pian ten ya abana according to him the notion of pollution which was intrinsic to the caste system was against the laws of nature amangai dan dena apom lo brahmanical notion of pollution pen hi amangai dan ai pen hi til nature til omsa pen hai hi to kitwak lo hi chi aman angai dan dil vel hi against the laws of nature hi chi amangai dan ai tu na yen su non ya ai pen hi on khol jindan tang pi ikila thi amia pa ya central asia ke pan india lo dan ada india na igen kina central asia uzbekistan ke pan ama on man na moment gasni na ama maya pau bogal ye basimina ama pen hinghoi gal mata manin ama asyam na pin na ja ken ama anasiam din na ko historian din na ko writer din na apai na pyo gala sim na pyo ai ki india ikale gala san na pyo ma mai tung to na ma hi india lut kha punjab lut kha pangjaga chile moment gasna bit empire ten extension of empire ni lana india on simlawen maya headquarter wa idira punjab on jangwa ide delhi muntian te khanwa ki pan india kum tam phenom kha ni chi mutia mai tung to ni na aman ale ka bugya akipan Indian society middle society ya kata in kisin sakai tu na ba ni painon ja ai amel lahia alimania ibin batuda pene itun adang yan non ja ibin batuda to kesayan ja jana albernia hia ibin batuda pene hile ama Morocco akipan ya Afrika ama ale kwal jin mi ma ahia tunama to kesayan kan alive sketch ending ibin badutas rila icha ibin baduta ina ale kham bugel ale kham buta neu ichi pen rila ke chadena albrni na ale kham bugel dan dan nya to dan do na ibin baduta inde am record book ichi ha pai pen rila ke chatuna an early globe trotter ke cha globe trotter ke cha ina hobel pumpi 6 walk mi pa ai ka hobel pumpia kwaljin le te pa chi na nya i ama hi igen ma bangena kwaljin le jin koi hi ama jakina india leon ship khai jakina aman india amudan india society benevo society amudan ya ama ki ban non de hi Ibn Battuta was an African traveler who came from Morocco then again abuna ama hi African kwaljin traveler hi Morocco akpanan pai chen chen hi bangcha na india lu khaya mi ne non ni He was born in Tangier. He learned literature and other scholarly works at his young age. He loved traveling. Amai Tangier dina Morocco muna pianganya. Amai lekhalam aika lekha to kesai lunglu na. Ani kai lowa thei na tam pinen to bana ingai ni naupang sinsak nai chia thil lekha gyat ama lunglu ta hi kum naupang chen ke ban lunglu ta hi to bana ama hi kwal jini alunglu le akilo plam ai ban a hobby khala ijakina I globe trotter china mitena thiwe hi he considered that knowledge gained through travels is more important than books aman hi amu dan ai kele angai to adan ai le thilthe na pen thilthe na kwal jin ai kele atak tak gama amu nai pathi na pen hi lekha bu mi te lekha bu gel sangin aman phaso hi mi te lekha bu gel asim sai aman phaso hi ache adit ma le ya amuna ground reality thea chil thi na ni ade do jo aga lagi pan zo hya takya chi thelo tung to na thi na pe ni de do lo ani ja kila I mi mal ba mai amun ma ba thea mun ma basina om dan om ja thea wai bai tung to na thi na pe ni de do hi chi e mu thea to igen ma bangina I kwaljin me ya kwalzin namuna amit mama bu ke ai ke le amun mama sin sakna obani tungto na thikna pini dit to ai dan chi ama mu dan hi tuna India hanlut ma aman mun tom jena globe trotter ichi ma ban mun tom ana zin koi na te ending before his visit to India he had pilgrimage to Mecca and traveled extensively in Syria, Iraq, Persia, Yemen, Oman, and few trading posts on the coast of East Africa. India on loot mine amahi, then I again mabana qualzin lungut bay mabana qualzin at hello by mabangina ama apiani Mecca adagina a Muslim temun pun mun siang thoa yana chepteu le kumtenga na qualzin namuno Saudi Arabia namuni apai munahi amal le hompia basim kata pilgrimage sunina to ake hilona mun tom azina Syria le azin kata Iraq le azina Persia le azina Yemen Oman le azina to bana sumki dong to anamun poimo dekina jai long kholamun East Africa mun tale mun to man azin le hi chi ha mu hi Indian sing maina tuna Indian sing dan yanding reached sin in 1333 amahi India sin Punjab mun andur kha waya angjilu to kitana ama thik na ama siam na ithi sama boina kumpi pa waya pai hulaya hi medieval history Delhi Sultanate te lanai ya waya kumpi poimo mamo Muhammad bin Tughlaq ke chi sultan kumpi kadina ama I na lian takana pya ama pen I bai home ai kele just dina ama din mun poimo takana pya hi Muhammad bin Tughlaq appointed him the Ghazi or judge of Delhi muna headquarter muna capital Delhi Sultanate capital nya Muhammad bin Tughlaq kumpe lai nama pian ni anam muwa kina ibin badunda pian ni mo pong na lian tak judge chief judge dina mo pong na pian ni malia mau ki kana ne pat ki isam lo na om idinga ama pian munda nga sol kya kina nom hi so munda ni sol kya kina om male kumpi ada kina Delhi Sultanate kumpi Muhammad bin Tughlaq to kita na nau bi to lo na ma pian ama sol to lo on pangkai na muntom to munjin lo ina ama lungu na le hi dinga kwalzin to sa kina yen nom ding proceed to China as the sultans envoy to the Mughal ruler mani India ki pan China hi zinno ina amaya kumpi sol kumpi sile tangina Mongol ruler kumpi te ki amaute mamudin zinno na hi to kya hi lona on kiklamina Malabar ina dina South India Malabar coast Turela Kerala mun kin le kyang aw mahya Maldives aikele Sri Lanka Bengal Assam Sumatra che Indonesia Guangzhou che Beijing hoi thi arut te apaton ta ka vai bana vai te na to joina ama apen ni aino aki ga in 1347 na Morocco angger aki no nahi rai ken ma bangina 1333 India lu dina kumpi Muhammad bin Tughlaq Delhi Sultanate da kumpi sultan kadina ama apen mo pong na aikele kam ana pe na athi na atil na siam na thi jakina mun poimo takan ana luwa himale ke hi siam lo na mena ma pe mun da ko kompi si tang in sol na ma oya azin koi adagina China mana kol jina Malabar ki pana panina Malabar ko sapana Maldives Sri Lanka Bengal Assam icha North East India Sumatra wa ki pan ludo Guangzhou Beijing alu dun pa ama ain mun aki kani hoye ile Morocco Africa monaki non ye chi ya ma kwaljin bia hi na tak te hi den a root ending azin koi na dan te hi Delhi Sultanate capital muna om himale den ai gen aboin azin koi na te ya root tom pe te hi tuna banai pai non ding the enjoyment of curiosity til thei dok na ina nop sak na til thei siam dok nai na I ki pa nai chi na na pian dan I hai tung ton na ending Ibn Battuta tung ton na ending Ibn Battuta was an inveterate traveler who spent several years traveling throughout land then again ma bana ha a sub heading tung to na mga tilthi lok na tung to na lok sak nai chan then again ma bangin ibin badu ta pen hi khwaljin ai kele khwaljin lumut khwaljin himim ama ane wa kipal lumut ai ma bangina aman tilthi lok na pen hi aman banga lok sak na lan ja kina ma pen inveterate traveler china chepte le om ya ma ai mun tom toma ajin koi koi na ja kina kam tom toma iya ya kum tam pe na jina hi chi mu the hi to bana meticulously recorded his observation about new culture people's belief values etc ibin baduta ina report about changina I detail tak ai kele fill tak ke chu takina I amudan record ai kele observe athi dan ai kele mai te hi adakina tondan amite ai kele agin dan ai kele til gisin sakte record che de chi imuthe hi we need to bear in mind that traveling in the 14th century was much more arduous and hazardous ithi ma bangna 14th century hun lai hong I lung simin ngai to abangile koi laya tu hunda na gari te ai kele lampi hoi ai kele aeroplane chia len na ai kele I oi kwa jin na te omlo ye hoi laya ajin na te ngai to ai le leilama sakol te ai kele sakol kang talai kele samong sau te himai den ngai to tuilama ila long te den ngai to wai le ni to en tu stia sai zat machine te tung to na engine te tung to na ilo pe ma den ngai to jakin wai lam wai huna jin to tu huna jin ni leile wana di khede man na tu huna dakar khatai tum the pen 14th century huna hi hakhat sungle lut mai te ai kele tar khat sungle lut mai te ya chili ngai to nai play he yena pai jakina hoi hoi huna jin jin na to sai hi dam ti wai lo he la wai chin tam pi om den ngai to jakina adya kina mau I apai su ko pai to na su le jana jin to na ti am bit lo na tam pi om den ngai to jakin aban banian su non din adya ke even batuta to sai ama traveler na traveling was also more insecure again ma boina wal jin na pai na le Vietnam low paper. Even Benito was attacked by bands of robbers several times. Again, Mabai Apple Zina Amai, Southampton Tam PV and Swami Amana Talk High Chin Mutini Himale. Again, Mabai Nama curiosity till a tit of Napian Amada, Ipana, enjoyment of curiosity is again Amahi. Abulaigan Mabaina, Globe Trotter, it's Mabaina Mahi, Zin Koi Koi, I can let Qualzin Irma Lumu that Jakina. Cái tâm phi tiêm hóa so so hi chi ya imukya hi the excitement of unfamiliar then again no pa ile til to nge lo na mun te a I kwai te thik na tung to na hi I ki thalo na chi ya on sin sa ta ya again even baruta to sai airlining even baruta himself travel extensively through this land visiting mun siang thau de tam pi aba about Bikailona, spending time with landmen and rulers, share ideas, information, and anecdotes, etc. And kina ibin buta ina aho ngilok na ajin khang ngilok na amada adam sunga amu pat na munte aman jinhi nuwa masa wai munte hi mun siam thobe na kele mi pilmi siam te da hunzat na ai kele kumpi te to wai homi te to ai kele te na hi ki pass to ana ki share in discussion le to na wai te amal mu te jagen the excitement of the unfamiliar chin min go no hi there were stories about men noted for their piety, kings who be both cruel and generous, and about the lives of ordinary men and women. Dagina ibin butta ina marikot rila haya atun khatele I kumpi mi isyam ta kumpi lo ma cha kumpi wai ham ma gelo ma da tampi aman na to kai ma kwal jin le le izadin to kai lo na I kumpi gama ami pi te ai kai le numerite hin kwa ai kan din mun der tam pi ya yaman ali abwana de ahi chi mutia anything that was unfamiliar was particularly highlighted in order to ensure that the listener or the readers was suitably impressed by the accounts by checking out ama le hagel hi chil lam dang pi chimai ni mun tom azina ima bangena agel te hi asim tu ten hi thina tam pi ki bel apnai na ana jangwa hi tuna even badada in Indian cities aman Indian copy te chimai ni potalo copy munte amudan observation amoldan ending. Even Baduta found cities in the subcontinent full of excitement, opportunities for those who are able and have resources and skills. Acha, aman hi India's kopite hi aja ka minei zo aikil achin aikil siamna pil na ne te teng te na kopia hi china am modana aja kena kopite hi mun poimo ma aikil hampat natam piom kisin saknai kena siamna pil na project kena ya iminei zo siamna pilna neiti ada tiang na kopia ichina anam dana he. The cities were densely populated and prosperous aja akopite yu mitam atengi atam thei ma acha to hel akopite ani zo ma na house ma mo cha. This account stated streets in many cities were crowded and bright and colorful markets were full of many varieties of food. Aman hi anam dana le Indian cities te ipite tam thei ma cha hilona aku pilih abang tim ama lakin color rong chu tom azam iti ma ba Hindu waya majority India hi wala a Hindu te hi gi ma asa ko bai wani i rong tom gi ziam na tom mai na mi i je bela aku pite hi color pu ai ke le ban zuang na mun tom tam piom na hi na ya ana mo hi to ba na Delhi to sai hi le he said Delhi is a vast city, great population, the largest in India. Delhi mun Lianpin, a capital Lianpin ina ami tam ting na pin la hi china ina ya ni ala hinona. Bazaar not only for economic transaction but also the hub of social and cultural activities, mosques and temples with space for dancer. Bazaar mun hi chillei kizo na mun kya ahi kya to bana I jakin kotang bai akile tondan bai tom te la na akile biak bu muslim tia bang nok se ke hindu ta ban temple akile I hoya kopi sunga alam ke mun to mi tam pi te om na kom na ki bazar na kya hilawai china ya anamwa hi. Ibn Battuta noted that the cities obtained its wealth from villages. Saya til pomo mamaya kopi ten I income uchimeni supply jiha ikele kopi we house tak ting ten supply amu nawi kota kya ki panai village te ki panai ya amu kya hi. So Bana he stated there was a great demand for Indian textile like cotton cloth, fine muslin, silk, brocade and satin and fine muslin were so expensive. Bana ti mama India hi bintang ma mai le cotton textile thang da kena fine muslin thang demand sama ma Central Asia kipan Muslim sumdong mi ton jel onno ajel le chal ki sumdong omin ada gen hai jali mun poimo mama kong bazar mun pi economic transaction mun pi poimo mama ma hi chi ha I amari ko tunda I muthe hi tuna wai hulaya ana ki tu zak dan wai kai le ana ki kom to dan a unique system of communication atuang ding na ma khat Indian te na pai tu tan phai le na yu na wai pe ka ana patya ko ending. Almost all trade routes are well supplied with inns and guest house. Again, Babana India while I sea coast, it's a dena Malabar sea coast, it's Hong, I kill it. Delhi mun, it's Hong. And I mean, Tangma, my Zagina, Hualzin me, I kill it. Sumdong me, Central Asia, Kipan, I kill it. European countries are given on Jinde, adding Mumpoimo, Hualzinte mun. Tungna ding guest house ake inte hotel da tam pi hoi tak tak mai chia imute hi. Ibn Battuta was amazed by the efficiency of the postal system. Then again mabal tuzang nagi kom to nahi hoi laya India ina medieval society mulaya kumpina na patikya postal system dark system cha le katon kipyak nai kale ban kipyak na pe ni ana changkang ma hi cha amutiya amani lamdang na to ke demani postal system yending. The postal system was of two kinds. Postal system is in Oma. It is a male. Pahulai gari chitiom lo alien na chitiom lo ithing. One was called Uluk postal system chili oma at pene Uluk aya Uluk kiti pene horse post aya horse post chi pene sakol a tungto na tinkang taga I bante kai le khaton poimo te hi akwa kwai kai le wai te hi ki supply na ai kai le ki piang ma pen horse post chi wa wai pen Uluk aja ani nai le dawa ki chi hai pen hi a postmaster pen na kheng ngoi ngoi a ko ta ki pan ko pan jin toina le khaton ai kai le til poimo te piang na pen hi I ase kai jo do pen dawa ki chang food post ki cha kin dang jo do pen hi isakol tung to na jin pai nai na jin nai na kin jo de na ya hi chin ya uluk dawa te ya ya hi pai hulaya communication unique system ani ma ma hi apara I pai non ja this system enable ya postal system tung to na bang na adya kina thil merchants a sum dong mi tia ja hi na ba ko itak thil adya kina I thu information ki piang na kim gang ta ko om chai lo isum ki piang na ai ke sum ki dong to na remit credit ai ke hoi ti mun kamla pi tia ki pan hi I kin takina siam so kai lo na ban te bang le gamla pi ma le sakol tum do na I aki order dung zui na amu pa pa wi chi ai mu te hi to na no me te din mun ai ke le slave swap ke le sati Wayulaya Indian society in Anapaipi. Sati ay kaya liberals asimite anjing ending. Waylaya swap and azabdante ending use of slave agriculture. Slave were openly sold in market and were expensive as gift. Iti dahoy mamawaylahi mite swap lasala matimi bazar ni swap maidan ni. Wayte penhi mi ane zo koyam ay kaya Wati khatnya mena amau te lei thi na bazar wai te gift dina compete apyak dia mai kele bagyam bi na dia mi te mai na dina amau te present dina alize lo hi when Ibn Battuta reached the Sindh he purchased horse camels and slave as gift for Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq Chandana yen che tahia Ibn Battuta le Sindh untung Indian Sindh masak penamani I kumpi pa muat mi pentulang amwak na dina I alay masaki sakol hoy tata le ya bazar gi pan chang sang wong sa hoy pen pen le ya I swap ke swap ja no me ya pasalay ti ge wai ta le wai ti kumpi pa kya ma til kya dina gip din alay hi female slave price law were in service of the Sultan also used for domestic labor to keep a watch on the nobles ya hi til pun mo maya numeiti mati wala ya swap slave numeiti amanu ato ma manla ini hima alane azak naw hi I mun tam pia zat azak naw mo ti nom ya mau te hi sultan akumpi te bangza ke no mo anya kina I royal family sumbang ana sem ina mo I an wan bangai ke le til tom tom sem to abana domestic labor chi ha imuna na se na mun te mau te sem tang ke sa ko to abana poimo mama to keep a watch on the nobles amau te hi iti ma bangna I CID chi ha ai ke le I en gutu icha hoi te na ko ye bangja ga chile noble state ma na wai lai kya le lo tu hun tan ha ong gi ge akum pi sunga hi I cabinet ichi ya council of minister ichi hoi te ya kon bolu pate noble state yo wai te laka ki haza nai ki akum pi pa haza a amau ten kum pi pa swan kyak so ya chi te bang mau te wai te en ke tu ni na mi kya jang je loi he to na en ja the practice of sati ke che ai sati til de wai lo tak social events ya wai lai pe ka na o ma hiya ai to ke sai Francois Berner ina am amamu dan yan ya Berner has provided a detailed description of sati in his account Berner chi na amatan chen detail ta ni yan ja amai ai sati to ke sai amudan ya kisin sa mon de hi sati chi chang ina Indian society medieval society and omkin taya Hindu tena a practice chi khatanya bangya mi chile ya chakna dena numei khat apasal to akiteng nungin apasal bang gal mo na si bang hile alwangon poki dina nan tung changa alwang hal du himale apasal si kay lo na azi pen le wai ati halu himai a nei beni huam hoi ma Hindu te tonda na nya to kya hi lo na gal si silo in mun ale apasal bang na si azi le ama ahi I banga apasal za tang na ki halu ding chi ai hi thil pai na nia ni thil dei hoi lo ya lo hi chi mu thia banner na ya amit ma bu indian sik lai ai new pathian sik ding he mentioned that while some women seem to embrace death cheerfully others are forced to death acha ken ma bangina banner I indian sik lai na aman amit ma bu ampi telaka anangien sina onom changena apasal te ya mun si changena aji te na I kipa takina apasal te ya na mun maula tong mut mai wa uchilo changena ken khatien lao de chili ko om te asyam pu te na mau te mana si na mun adien gut jelo ni aman ya anam dana hi you also notice that Charles Sadi was a 12-year-old young widow sacrificed a child. While India dehi kum child marriage chia kitiang bai ma to ama ba into Asia na jia kya ma pasal ba si changina azi denai gen ma ba azi pen nu thoye kele I depend a society de lo jakin azi pen le asi di chi amao society na di na sati ana pai ku jakina Yaman hai Amidamu Mama. He also noticed the child Sadi which 12-year-old young widow sacrificed a child. Hai Azikum Somnani Chau Himale. Apa salah si jaga nama ale bangahin napin a sacrifice sa hichi again nahi. Women liberals lumaite din mulle amawi anasiptaw yan ding. Women labor was crucial in both agricultural and non-agricultural production. Amawi numaite din muli lo na sip namun hina sip lo namun tiale amawi numaite din muli poimo higayi. Siya muthiya bana women were merchant from merchant families participate in commercial activities. So again mabana numay business sumdong mite in ko nagipan numaite lewaya activities. Why till the amount as we may reach the 200 meter, it would hit the amount of 12 inch Imotia, that can high Indian society Saki to society Loma. Therefore, it seems unlike that women are confined to the private space of their home. Why second meter in Munkia, the Kumbitsi, I can in the Simdikia, Omlo Hitch, a medieval society of Mote. Do not deny again, Francoid banner to the Sayan Amai, French traveler here. Mga life schedule niyo katiyan zigding. Francoid Banner, doctor with a difference. Kitcha mahi, physician, doctor. Damlo ento hiya, life schedule zigding. Francoid Banner was French by birth and doctor by profession. Mahi, French apyang hiya, to again lo amana sepi dinagin doctor. Damlo ento hiya. Himalaya mahi, damlo ento doctor kya hilo. Baga. He was a political philosopher and historian. Amai hang tu gyal tu ina a political philosopher mon mai tak yahi. Ina a heading ai mo bang doctor with difference. Amani atuam bi na tam pia niya daga Indian ho laya. Atil thei tung ton ina agal tung tam pi Indian side ta ki na ina European side ta ki kam na tam pi ama tu ki na mi ji ya again lo masahi. He came to the Mughal Empire in search of opportunities. Amai Mughal kumpi hulaya ama indang duda niya. Magjan duda niya aman hampak naik siya. Silthi no natam pian isagan dud kai da dina igen ma pagna. Doctor niya Himalaya man silthi no natam pi political philosopher historian na hidung jina. Mani banga India thiltung banga kibai ko na banga khotang bai uchite banga sa ko bai uchite banga kem na uchite thik nom jagina opportunities songina yang dud kai. He lived in India for 12 years from 1656 to 1668 here. Amai kum som nani bing Indian ko sahi da kin hai records amam sunga records in a mutia to na Indian society amamu dan in the he. He was a physician to Prince Dara Suko Aya man India onum laina iti mabangin. Doctor hi mabangina misiam mipil. Ina na to den gen mabangin na bola. Even baruta I kele Albert chitele siam na pila is competent ahing ho lo maute ahing ho chen lo maute zat te dat tengo akumpi adya akumpi gamada man thati pena jang to kita na Indian sigina mai physician doctor ni ma bang na I kumpi te I can kumpi sunga damlo te I na adya kena jai Prince Dara bang eldest son of Emperor Shahjahan ti ma bang na Akbar siawa kumpi pena niya upon Ahile, intellectual and scientist the Nisman Khan, an Armenian noble at the Mughal court, Amai Khak Tengahia. Amai Pake Lo Ma on the Milti Pitam Pidehia in Mutehi. Bernard traveled to different parts of the country and wrote accounts based on his own observation and compared the social condition in India with that in Europe. Again, Mabanga. Amai Mun Indian Pang Delhi Kia Mun to subcontinental Jin Koi na Aman Atil Mudan Tia accounts with the Kajalina. Observation Paiti Pen a society Potang by Europe social condition very compared to Brazil Danahi. He dedicated his work to Louis XIV, the King of France. Amani France ang kipanahi imapangina. To amana sa India kum somledi. Anom sunga tilmu so apeni akumpia din na apekya sumini. Louis the Oriente mabana French Revolution laya akumpi pawahi. His work were published in French in 1670 to 71 and translated into English, Dutch, German, and Italian. To icon gen mabangina aman Indian society to kisai amudan peni lekha bogel pen 1670 to 71 ona French agipan English translate kyawa. Oh, to amapan Dutch translate German le Italian hoy to na European society Indian society atil ahoy dia lawa ahoy lote anaki hoy to na in the European society hallo amyan ta kuma hi chi mutia Bernier and the degenerate is a kitchen. Is China, India, China, Italy, why degenerate is China, Bernier and Budan. Akichim say Kele, India, Bernier and Budan, Changkanglo Mama, backward Mama, Ichia Kele, Tuan Mama, occupy Bodan, what no Mama. Jakinaman degenerate is China, and I mean, Pena Piahi. Bangchida na aman India ikele degenerate is akwal jinna bangja hai degenerate amin pen on pete yam chi hai aban ban Bernier's travel in the Mughal Empire provides little observation and critical insight against Bernier on Indian again babuna amamu dana galte to Indian medieval society banga akidegidan na ikele ahoy no nakam pite hai inam usomding. He constantly compared Mughal India with contemporary Europe. Acha, dagina Mughal India hi aman contemporary Europe ahangtak Europe to hi anati ge jakina ya tampi kideda naam de emphasize the superiority of the European society. Hi aman Europe bunale society anezo high class ten thune nahi sangma ma ijakin haya India lekibat na omjagin naman hai nak pitagin compare na body to na khatnai le the question of land ownership kaya de lo ma ya land ownership pen according to Bernier one of the fundamental difference between Mughal India and Europe was the lack of private property in the Indian society aman Europe society apaidan khat Indian society apaidan ke balo nam European countries are private land ownership omina amiten amao lo magi culture na ane khamu atam the thok amao bo ko ikoina society khangha ma ma hi cha himal India private ownership of na akum pite na agam de kinai ami pite ane zo lo de na agam de kho na wai sia text de line sina India hi khang tok na om lo hi cha ma udana hi ye the farm believe in the virtue of private ownership ajaman hi private ownership hi ama de ma de chilai tum to na gi chen om ni cha ma udana hi crown ownership of land was harmful for both state and its people. Mughal emperor owned all land and distributed it among the nobles. Rama koina kumpin gam anai bimala gam anai pene aman I government a state ami pitya dai til li hwai lo le til asathei tungtua hi cha. Wai se kena hinge ya Mughal side line le akum pitya na gama kene yo gam tewa kene tepe akon bolu pade anubus laga ajwakso anubus le gam ke lewa gam ne lo te pen chu lo ko mi te hiwa azong pen te ya amau te lo ko wa amau kham di aho chamana akum piden sia alawa wai ja kena tining chinge lo kham to nge lo hi chi ama bu da ne Yarguded lands under the crown ownership could not be passed on to their children. It was averse to any long-term investment in the sustainable expense of protection. Amandi wajakina yai crown ownership kumpina I gamni na peni kanmo boga hi achia toba ba ina I loa apiang di sale apiang lo na dai jaga hi china ahi nge ya tuna mi khatina mi ma ama gam kine kale ama na gam pen ama ittaka sem dina itaka sem da apiang aloma tam thei pen apiang da di jagi adi di jaga itaka sem dina tampilan piang di himal ama lo changina thada na ton sem dinga bagjagya mi chile alo ga nom changina kumpiten zala ka songa la ki sakke na ma na lo di jagina man thalom na ton sip lo changina alo ga lo ma hi apyan kya hi mu thamom lo hi chi dan ama kya na hi the absence of private property prevented the emergence of the class of improving landlords as it was in Western Europe to maintain and improve the land. It can ruin the agriculture and oppress the peasants and the living standard of sections in the society decline except the ruling aristocracy. Yai crown ownership ichi hai kale I gam kumpe kele ane zo te chawina gamani na peni dai pen khanmo boke hilo adya kina lokong mi te hin ko ai gele ako sagdano hi niam de ding a living standard te niam de ding to ke hello akumpi royal family te ai gele kon bolu patil sungkon te ke nop sading ina ami pi te hak na to ngai chi na ama kyal da na hi to na yan non da burner ina in the side the amudan yan de burner description on the Mughal emperor in this subject. Bernard described the Mughal emperor as the king of beggars and barbarians. Once again, Bernard ina jana ka kian babang na Mughal kibai hom na kumpi gampeni kumpi khuddo le mon hoita bai hom dai hi chi amani ya na kya beggars and barbarians. Dina ya theltam pi land ownership jakia mai kin tom tom te jaka I aman ya te kang na pya gilin ngai to tun its cities and towns are ruined and contaminated with ill air and its fields overspread with bushes and full of pestilence. Very sakachai ako pite ang ulan ako pite hi adam ti wan kya hello I ako ko hi million hin achya to amana ulan le hai sati system jaga ke kide na ya tak jak kya hello I agambay ke bogdan adik lo jaga nyai ang ulan apya kide na ito dina ibin batata ito mamudan ni Indian cities day abang mami tam piatin ko ma so kaya hilo kopi Asia nga ay kan ani zo ma o che ni ma ni ya banner mudan don ki bakya banner ini ida site ni penny hot low wa ja kira disarray is an achia na ni he attributed all these problems to the crown ownership plan wa ja kira yai ting Indian cities ay kan holo na atung na hi crown ownership jaga hi china aman kaya ano mo hi Barner says that there was a practice of crown ownership of land and no private ownership of land or private property. Waisakin ama amudani India crown ownership kumpin gamane na ikele mi house gam ni na chop oma private ownership chipeni omlo hi India ama amudani hi. But none of the Mughal official documents show that the state was the sole owner of land. Itamale Mughal government lekha poimo tungdon na ali tang gampen ni kumpi pa kya ni lo ye chi ya mu na ichanom twan lo imale atak tak gama hi akumpi ten agam nei na akumpi ten anobul akon bulu pa te kya hom son na hoi pe ain kai du jaminders ya ya si akon te ni alo ko te pen hi anei lo pen te agam ne lo te hi wa himale lo ko zo chang na alo piang za zala ka som nga pen ai kele zala ka som thum pen akumpin ke la ke na akumpi ke zala ka som bang tungina som thum bang asi akon jalan ke la chang again ke tu pen hi lo ko mi jaken ha hi na India hi na bak lo kya hi lo na han mo bo kya hi lo na hang tong ni lo hi banner mo da na hi. According to Abul Fazal Hidi, some of Akbar court historian here, the Mughal emperor collected only the remuneration from the people for the protection given by the state and no rain was collected. Hey, Achang Mama, Abul Fazal na again the Dika, court historian Akbar Kumpipa, court historian Abul Fazal ya Magela Hile, Mughal Kumpitan I call it Asul Kalena, Ami Pite Kanga tax remuneration pen ala ka hile protection bank bin na pyak chawa ala ka hian chia uchilo rendang ai kele tax dang kin lo wa chia adika hiya male ya akum pi te ni ati pi lo tam pi om din ngai to da kin den jaminders na excessive tax ala ku i lo ko mi te kya ala je lo wai de akum pi ten pi lo wai akum pi pa account na le lo treasury ane lo hi ja gena i Waya suffer at walk to Penchu, a local Jagan Jaganai, Burner Athea, fighting to India, society among judgment about beggars and barbarians at Yahi. Tunai Painon, the burners regarded the remuneration as land revenue since it was very high sometimes. By Jagana Yai, Banga protection being bigger the tax a lot penny, burner in a penny, Akama, Mazakin land revenue. Tiang na to kisal len text to kisay ina ay penny aman itama sagja kina ay pen siya I lay to kisay ay kire lay zat man siya ay kire low ko man site jaka ay penny aman amuda na kina wai jakin banyan muda na hile ay remuneration bank na to kisaya siya pyak pen na hikiya ay ay pen na hile lay zat man ay kire kumpi zamindar kena lo komite kyang apya ko sumtam pi pelang pen wai pen again nai acheni died of oriental despotism ke cha I bai hom na mun khat cha hom na I banner na amu dan de nai gen beggars and barbarians bangja hom ya machi Burner Burner description of land ownership influenced western theories from the 18th century. For example, then land ownership burn apa ipin private ownership of the he compete kan land ownership pen na European society ay kala European mi til ngai to the theories to ang tom te ay azo mama bangcha na ki hieng ngam yam chile. For instance, the French philosopher Montesquieu used Berner account and developed the idea of oriental despotism. For example, Berner in India pambuso again yai land ownership to kisa India land ownership compete chow ani zo te chow ani ipin I adik lo na pen wang taka again pen I France antong ina adang in France philosopher Montesquieu ngi le ho ya sa wa account pen again na mai pen France ale a compete chow na gam ni jagan mai pen hieng na he tung na oriental despotism chi I ba to be pen hoi tung na I hieng alian tak no mai According to this idea, in Asia, the Orient or the East, the kings enjoy absolute authority over his subject and own lands. ma bang hai Oriental despotism hi athulu apyang ma bona yai no yai hi le akum pi chawina gam nei I ami pi ten nei lo akum agam teng teng kum pi khudaw ma hi chi hai pe ne wang ta kan gen chawna I hi na chmei ni private ownership poimo dani hai tum to na mu so asian semen ada in European countries India bangale china on paita wa hi There was no private property. All people except king and nobles struggled for survival. Jai Oriental despotism. I agal to Montesquieu tungto na hai. Agal to na I Bernier ina India on Zilaya amu kya kya land ownership to kasya. Hai tungto na European countries ane land ownership and base ka private property ai kele. Mimala gampe na pe ni uang takapai pi dai chi. Campaign masa takin apa yo hi. The concept of aesthetic mode of production apyang sa nai chia ikele Asia denai gen then ownership again line the concept of aesthetic mode of production ha yan non-ding Karl Marx further developed the idea of Oriental despotism as aesthetic mode of production again baba Oriental despotism chi chang ina then again kumpi ina agam ni na ma chok khutaum pai jakina apyang thiang na kumpi chon gamon ni chang ina alo kumpi tina kile isa na ni lo na I hai mi gama hi ho ko leng le kya di lo chi na lunglu lunglu no na on mo na tan ko chang na lo an pyang ya sa pyang lo na wai jakina hai a production lam ha lo hi chi da na hi Marx observed that before colonialism surplus production was appropriated by the state pai jakina hey colonialism I mun tuam gam to ma ki pan u nai kai le bai ko na lut mai na I ami ten lo ko mi ten ni ama ko za ama wa ya ile ako za awal om te hi wai te hi I state government claim chaw hi na chaw hi chi wai ana mu da na hi imale I ami pi te kumpina ram chang hai on ki bang no wa this led to the emergence of society that was composed of a large number of autonomous egalitarian village communities by jakin hai ki he ngade ina a group tom ina ya ada kena community village community peasants organization tom pyang hi the imperial court respected this village as long as the flow of surplus was continued Marx regarded this as a stagnant system awai jakin hai paidan chemeni akum pite kyang apya ge jaw apya layo peni ho imale Karl Marx in hai peni khang to ro na stagnant bun khatya na system hi china ana muno na hi ma mo da hi tuna the more complex social reality ke cha Berner ina ako tang bai Indian society middle society amu dan ne khat yan chu nonin Berner description occasionally hint at a more complex social reality ke cha Artisans had no incentive to improve the quality of their manufacture. Pajagina kutsiam na ne ai kele til bol siam tian ni ama bol pen government akipan hu na bang mam lo na ai kele government akipan pan pi na bang mam lo na wai jagina ya til bol hi kenyam hai chi chama udana hi all profits were appropriated by the state manufacture were everywhere declining wai jagina til abol to no state na law sakin wai jagina I til bol hi kenyam do hi chi am udana hi At the same time, he agreed that vast quantities of the world's precious metal flow into India as manufacturers were exported in exchange for gold and silver. Himalaya line is in Abandana Chilman Pa, Sigman Paicha to Amte India, he on Kipulut Mal, again Mabana Til, and a two Hatya Kumpi Pa Kyale, upon Bulu Patekia Izakina, Yai. Amawi de ibanga production ni omthi lo jakna ai franco barne nam udana gena wai na inda jana ka gen babona inda hi mun poimo market center aja kena European countries Central Asia Muslim businessmen ai ke European businessmen ton jina exchange ban ke to gold silver wala na India hi til piang tam ma ma ya wa ja kina mion wal jin jina I gold silver ten toina white tona I right barter system exchange silver ni ki he to ajela ni imale India bangjaga ichitela khanglo yam chile private ownership omlo government can thila ni jaga ya boy ni chi ama dana ni you also mentioned that there existed a prosperous merchants community engaged in long distance trade why jakina ami pi tang pi de I alung kim lo tena amao ki bai pong na thomon de I community chimeni business group te ki bolan amao ten mun kam la pya ading business trade bangana na panwa why de khat khat ni no de den changin tuna Mughal city se cha a hopium dan ne pat travelers there keep in town only. During the 17th century, about 15% of the population live in towns. It's 15% so a copy cities that they are 85% na again appearance low home ani zolo pin pin te I potang na te ngani wa jaga 15% te atang pia ani zo a royal family nobility kon bolu pati family le a banga army sakte sungkon te team na mai ding to ja kina the remaining 85% will be living in the village a mai na wa ja kina today the nadan pyo mai chi muthia Bernard described Mughal cities as cave town wa ja kin Bernard na Mughal city te cave to ki banga hi no plo hi china na gi nai which are dependent upon imperial patronage as a kumpi pan abai hom na ai pen ye he achi wai ja kina ami pi te thom lo ai ja kina aman cave towns ki mai chana moi there are all kinds of towns manufacturing towns trading towns port towns le munsiang to ai kina pa tian bek namun ai kele sumpidong to na town ai kele thilbol na town te mun pun mo chi tuam tom town wai na o mai the existence of towns indicates the prosperity of merchants communities and professional classes kaya hi again ma bangna I ako pite ako ila ko ilo aking ang napina ile I business asumdong mite ito na kinga isakin engkat asumdong mite bang ako pite to kita na te omlo na ma mimala asumdong na waite ko pite hi ako ima mai se kuchilo kumpi pa bai hom na te aman ama chun bai hom se ma chawa thuom ja kina ami pite na I silabol to ma hai pen hoi lo le kumpi pan di ko de hai pen ki house long le kumpi pan ka jai chi ja kina ama lumbu na ne lo mai ja kina hai merchants community ke pun ke pan ke ni ama kopi de ache moi ma hi chi ya mo thia merchants had a strong community or kin types and were organized into their own caste mai ja kina hai sum dong mi te ama akas ama be ama pu ama na mi na I ake group wa da kina ko amount na second to na in Western India this group are called Mahajan why sakina Western India thing te Mahajan merchants ke cha I house alani wa house of set achu wa dan na I banga merchants class group jinun ki hendiu de wa hi bang jaga chile jana land ownership pen kumpi pa chau ne jagina ami pi na rights ne lo I ami pia ki pan suat ta na di jagin hai groupism on pa hai in urban centers such as Ahmedabad, the chief of the merchants community, who was called Nagarset collectively represented Majan Vajakina, Ahmedabad Bangale, merchant community Tom Tom, Nagarset Akile, Majan group Tom Tom, they Omuna Mountain, a business class Akale, trading center Tom Tom, Bangzaka, then again, Bernarina, a land ownership and Kumpi Pa Akele, Akon Bolu Patia Sauna Pen. Hai tung to na ti hieng na di jaka hai ken amao tom to abing na look ball pen hai tung to na dia kina India hoi mun la ya igen abang ni mun poima ma poimo ma sum ki dong na ja jagin hai te tung to na India hi changka na ai kele masuna tam ki mu thea to igen ma bangina I hai chapter poimo ma hiya tai hi izo na hiya 10 to 17th century until tung adya kena travelers Alberni chia Central Asia kipan kabana even baruta aile Morocco Fregapan kipan Frangot Banner Pranjan kipan Amauta kipan India medieval society adya kina kibai home dan akele amite ko sangai kele division ai kele tiltom tom a ka system bangai kele sati system bangai kele hopi tiom dan ai kele anunja kibai po dan de dam ki namua ai tung to na daba ngai namu jai jakin amau pai te hi hakit khada amau book collection abol tung to na mu jakina na ba na tampi thei ka hi